Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with high memory usage in Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So memory, which should be exactly called RAM or random access memory, is an important component of a computer. A RAM device allows data to be read and written at any time, regardless of the physical locations of the data within the memory, and the read and write speed is very fast normally. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to right click on the taskbar. So dito lang sa ating computer taskbar ay kailangan lang natin mag right click. So dito lang sa blank space area, so right click ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung task manager. And dito lang sa kanyang processes tab, dito sa task manager. And then iselect lang natin or find unnecessary apps with consuming with the high memory usage. Okay? So makikita mo dito kung ilang MB or megabyte yung nakoconsume po niya. So select mo lang dito yung with high memory usage. And then next, select mo lang siya, and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung add task, okay? So once nagawa mo na dito sa task manager, and next solution na pwede natin gawin. So dito lang sa search menu, and dito sa search for app, so type mo lang dito yung services, and then click mo lang dito yung open. And dito sa services and services local, and then next step, so kailangan lang natin i-locate dito yung SYS main. So kailangan mo lang mag-scroll down at i-locate natin yung SYS main. Alright, so ito siya. So once na-locate mo na, and then select mo lang siya, and then kailangan mo lang mag-double click, and then pop up itong kanyang SYS main properties. Okay, so dito lang sa general, and then dito lang sa startup type, and then i-click mo lang yung arrow na yan. And then, kailangan mo lang select dito yung disabled, okay? So, once na-click mo na yung disabled, and then dito naman sa baba, i-click mo lang dito yung apply, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. Right? So, after dito sa services, and next step, so dito lang sa start menu, at kailangan lang natin mag-restart, okay? Click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix high memory RAM usage in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.